Okay, sir. Now I'm going to start my air brake inspection. So, sir, first of all, I make sure my wheel is chock over there. Sir, my wheel is already chock. And sir, then I make sure I have enough air pressure in my system. Sir, my system is already full. And sir, my truck is off. And I put my keys in on position. Okay, sir. Now my keys are on position so I can read my gauges. And sir, my yellow button is out. I make sure and then my red button is in. So now, sir, I'm going outside to disconnect my air lines. Always make 3-point contact going in and out. Okay, sir, coming back now. Waiting for my red button to pop out, sir. My red button pop out at 42, 60 psi or higher. Sir, my gauge is dropping the air. Sir, keep watching my red button. And you see, sir, this is my low pressure warning. So my low pressure warning comes at 60 psi. Sir, it's audible and visible. I can see that and I can hear that. And see, sir, my red button pop up. Okay, sir. Now next step, sir, I'm checking the leakage from my blue line. There's no any leakage from my blue line, so my tractor protection valve is good. Okay, sir. Now, sir, I'm checking my yellow button. I'm pushing my yellow button in and my red button is out, sir. Sir, now I'm going to pump my service brake until my yellow button pop out. Sir, my yellow button pop out at 2245 psi. Sir, I'm pumping my service brake and losing the air. Keep an eye on my yellow button. Okay, sir, and you see my yellow button pop out. So my system is going now, sir. I'm going outside to connect my air lines. Okay, sir. Sir, now I'm going to start my truck, run my engine at 1200 rpm, and from 50 psi to 90 psi, it should be built up in 3 minutes. Checking my compressor performance, and I starting the notice timing at 50 psi. Okay, sir, I start my truck. Run my engine at 1200. Sir, my needles at 50 psi now, and I start the timing now. And you see, sir, this is my low pressure warning. My low pressure warning is gone because my air pressure above 60 psi. I keep continue, sir, until 90 psi and watching the timing. And you see, sir, it's almost 90 psi now, and it's almost takes 1 minute. So that means my, sir, compressor working really good. Okay, sir, now sir, I keep continue until my governor cut out. Sir, my governor cut out at 122 135 psi, and I hear the purge sound outside. I put a little bit window down so I can hear clearly, sir. Okay, sir, you see, sir, my governor cut out. So my governor cut out at 122 135 psi, and I hear the purge sound. Sir, in case my governor failed to cut out, so there is the safety valve on my supply tank is pop out at 150 psi. Okay, sir, now, sir, I can show you my governor cut in. To show you the governor cut in, sir, I supposed to lose 20 to 25 psi from my system. To do that, sir, I push my yellow button and I push my red button and 1 or 2 brake. Sir, you see, I already dropped the 20 to 25 psi and give a little bit RPM back and watching my gauges. And so you see, sir, my gauge is rising back. So my gauge is rising back. My system, my governor cutting working properly. So my system is replenished again. So now again I can keep continue to make my system full again. Okay, sir. Sir, my system is full now. Sir, now I show you the leak test. To show you the leak test, sir, I'm going to turn off the truck first and put my key back in on position. Okay, sir. Now, sir, I'm going to press and hold my service brake for 2 minutes. In 2 minutes, sir, I should not lose more than 4 psi for the tractor and 2 psi for the trailer. In case, sir, I have another additional trailer, then 2 psi more. Sir, in my case, I have the tractor and trailer, so not more than 6 psi. Okay, sir, let's start. I press and hold my brake. Sir, my needle stable, and I start my timing now. Sir, my needle stables. Sir, okay, it's almost closer, 20 seconds left. And sir, my system is good. It's no leakage, sir. Everything perfect. And sir, it's almost 2 minutes now. And sir, I'm stop my timing. Sir, my system is good. Okay, sir. So now I'm going to adjust my auto slack. To adjust my auto slack, sir, I make sure I have more than 100 psi, but first time, sir, I have, maybe second time, sir, I lose. So I'm gonna start my truck here. Okay, sir, my truck is start. I have 100 psi. Sir, I'm going to adjust my auto slack. So now I'm going to press and hold my brake for 3 seconds. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000. And second time also, sir, I'm checking my air pressure. I am more than 100. I'm able to do that. So 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000. Okay, sir, my brake is adjusted properly. Sir, now I'm going outside to remove my choke. Before that, sir, I make sure my yellow button is out. Otherwise, I am fail here. So my vehicle is secure, sir. So now I'm going outside to remove the chalk and come back to show you the rolling stop. Give me 1 second, sir. I'm bringing my hammer in case. Okay, sir. Coming inside, put my seat belt first. Okay. Sir, my yellow button and red button is in. I'm moving 2 or 3 feet forward, sir. Okay, sir, you see my tractor trailer stop, my service brake working properly. Now I show you my handbrake. Okay, sir, my trailer stop. my trailer brake working properly. Okay, perfect, sir. My air brake is done now.